Welcome back to my channel. I'm Raisa Naushin and welcome to the Halloween video. So for today's video, I'm here with this butterfly inspired makeup look which is inspired by the amazing Snatch by Jake on Instagram. So I really hope that you guys will enjoy this look, and if you want to know how to get this makeup look right here, then please keep on watching. For this look, I have done the base and brows of camera. And for the brows, I have taken the Ofra Semi Permanent waterproof eyebrow gel, and the foundation and powder names that I used in this video will be listed on my description bar. So first, let's start the eye makeup. For that, I will start with highlighting my brow bone, and for that I have taken the Kathleen Lights palette. For my first transition shade, I am taking a royal pink from the Makeup Revolution Eyes Like Angel palette. And with a blending brush, I am applying it all over my crease, all the way from my inner corners up to my outer corners. From that same palette, I am taking a light lilac shade and I am applying it all over my eyelids with my fingers. Now taking a white shimmery shade, I am going to highlight my inner corners with that. Here I am taking the NYC liquid eyeliner and I am going to draw two butterfly wings on the two sides of my eyes. First I am drawing an outline and then I will start filling it in. For the actual color of the butterfly wings, I wanted it to be a gradient of really dark magenta to lilac. So first I am taking that same lilac shade on the edges of the wings, and then from that same palette I am taking a pink shimmery shade. And for the very inner part, I am taking a dark magenta from the Morphe Dare to Create palette. Going back to that same eyeliner, I am going to add some details onto the wings.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point?
I'm going back with that same royal pink shade on my lower lash line.
I'ma let you go. I'm tired.
Now I'll contour my face, and for that I have taken the Rimmel Kate Moss contouring kit. So I'm contouring the hollows of my cheekbones, sides of my forehead, and the sides of my nose. And here I am highlighting my nose bridge. For blush, I have taken the Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice blush palette, and I'm also kind of bronzing with the blush. For the highlighter, I'm taking the Kona by Farnaz Alam Twinkling Star Highlighter.
I cool it, hell, oh well. It's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride.
I'm adding some mascara to prep my lashes for the falsies. And for the falsies, I'm taking the Lola Cosmetics false eyelashes in the style Foxy.
It doesn't mean I lost my styling.
And with the white face paint, I'm adding some white dots around the wings. I feel like the details of the black and the whites really made the wings pop a lot more. Now I'm going to draw a bunch of butterfly wings on my neck. So like before, first I'm drawing in the outline. I'm taking the Morphe Dare to Create palette and that dark magenta shade. And on the middle part, to highlight the wings, I'm taking that same lilac shade. After filling in the wings with the color, I'm going to take a black face paint and I'm going to add some details on the wings. Going back to that white face paint, I'm adding some white dots around the wings. Now with a black eyeshadow, I'm adding some details.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point?
For the lips, first I line my lips with a brown terracotta lip liner. And then on the middle part, I'm taking a very nude lipstick from Ofra Cosmetics. And then for the gloss, I'm taking the Nitro Lip Gloss in the shade 08. And that's it guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!